Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 158 in Jefferson County, New York. We've just left the city of Watertown, and now we're in the town of Pamelia. The town covers an area of 35.5 square miles and has a population of 3,343 as of the 2020 census. Here we enter the town of LeRay and the hamlet of Calcium, which is a census-designated place. LeRay is named for Jacques LeRay, known as a French father of the American Revolution. LeRay had a population of 25,574, and Calcium had 3,573 residents as of the 2020 census. We passed through the village of Evans Mills, which had a population of 678 as of the 2020 census. The village was originally named Evansville and was named for a man named Evans who owned a mill. Evans Mills was officially established as a village in 1874 when it had around 500 residents. The LeRay Hotel, built around 1828, was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1982. The town also hosts the Evans Mill Speedway, opened in 1967. State Route 26 to the right is called Fort Drum Road, and going forward, Highway 26 joins us in a concurrency. Fort Drum has a history that stretches back to the early 19th century. Initially established at Sackett's Harbor in 1809 to enforce the Embargo Act, it became a key military hub during the War of 1812. Pine Camp was created in 1908 for military training, gaining national attention in 1935 for hosting the largest peacetime maneuvers in U.S. history. During World War II, the camp expanded significantly, adding 75,000 acres and displacing 525 families to build a comprehensive training facility. Renamed Camp Drum in 1951 to honor Lieutenant General Hugh A. Drum, it played a role during the Korean War and was involved in Agent Orange testing in 1959. In 1974, it was renamed Fort Drum and became the home of the 10th Mountain Division in 1984. The division reached full strength by 1989, accompanied by extensive infrastructure development. In recent years, Fort Drum has continued to grow. A 60-megawatt biofuel power plant was established in 2014 to support the base's energy needs. In 2015, Diana M. Holland became the first female general at Fort Drum and a deputy commanding general in the 10th Mountain Division. Today, Fort Drum covers 107,265 acres, supports the 10th Mountain Division, and plays a crucial role in training and mobilizing approximately 80,000 troops annually. Its mission includes commanding active units, providing logistical support, and supporting both active and reserve units. We enter the area now known as the town of Philadelphia, first settled around 1804 when a grist mill was constructed on the Indian River near a large waterfall. The town officially formed in 1821, separating from part of the town of LeRay. By 1959, the Indian River Central High School opened, serving students from Philadelphia and nearby towns such as Teresa, Antwerp, LeRay, and Pamelia. The town was historically significant as a junction for several branches of the Rome, Watertown, and Ogdensburg Railroad, with lines extending north to places like Clayton, Ogdensburg, and Messina Springs, and south to Niagara Falls, Syracuse, Rome, and Utica. The New York Central Railroad, which succeeded the original railroad, discontinued passenger trains through Philadelphia in 1964, but freight trains operated by CSX Transportation continue to run through the town. Philadelphia holds New York State's all-time record low temperature for December at 53 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. The Sterlingville Archaeological District in the town was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1995. Although Philadelphia, New York is often mistakenly believed to be the namesake of Philadelphia cream cheese due to the area's reputation for high-quality dairy products, the product was actually named after Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The town had a population of 1,964 as of the 2020 census. Here we pass through the village of Philadelphia, with a population of 1,172 as of the 2020 census. The village was originally known as Friends Settlement and Benezet, and it was originally settled by Quakers. It was incorporated as a village in 1872. we encounter some construction on the Indian River Bridge on Main Street, which reduces the highway down to one lane. What seems to be a temporary signal to regulate two-way traffic on the one-lane bridge has a permanent-looking installation and includes signals pointed to the right side, which is a parking lot. There's also a pedestrian bridge off to the right not visible in the video, and that is an earlier alignment of Main Street and US-11. Here, a blue SUV overtakes us at high speed. Perhaps the driver was fleeing from the police or had an urgent need for a toilet, or maybe there was a fire somewhere. Either way, we'll conclude today's video here at mile 175. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.